Entelechy, power your life with green energy. Entelechy F02 solar floodlight. Perfect for outdoor lighting. A complete solar floodlight includes A+ solar panel, controller, LED floodlight. F02 solar floodlight support display SOC.LED diode show battery status, lower power consumption and charging flash prompt. Use new lithium Fo2 battery, lifespan up to 10 years. Entelechy F02 solar floodlight use high lumen SMD2835 chips, the range of the lights from 50W to 400W. Our reflector of the floodlight takes plating technology. Other suppliers use non-plating technology. Timing of remote control: 3H, 5H, 8H. Charge during the day. The lights automatically turn on at night. Entelechy F02 solar floodlights use long lifespan solar panel. It can also absorb light on rainy days. High transmittance tempered glass. Display SOC. Aluminium casting, excellent quality. Waterproof interface. Application scenario: community, power failure, garden, courtyard, etc. Technological process: connect line, gluing, install battery, fixed lamp, connecting the control board, test, finished product. Entelechy, your best solar light solution.